Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video. Now that you have your new FG110 mini tiller home, open the box and remove the bottle of oil, the owner's manual, and the packing material. Then carefully remove the mini tiller. Slightly lift the tiller to unfold the handle, making sure the cables don't get crimped or pinched. Remove the handle packing material and tighten the bolts securely. Then remove the remaining protective packing. Your tiller was shipped without oil in the engine. Do not start the engine before adding oil. The amount of oil required for the FG110 is included in the box. With the tiller on a level surface, tip it forward onto the carrying handle. Remove the oil filler cap and add the entire contents of the oil bottle into the engine. Then reinstall the oil filler cap and wipe up any spills.